Welcome back. Well, recently, Mastercard appointed a new country manager for Nigeria and the area business head for West Africa, the person of Folashade Femilawal. She joins us now to share her vision for Mastercard's future in the region and highlight key industry trends. Great to have you on the show. Good morning.
Thank you very much. It's my honor to be here on the show this morning.
It's great to have you. It's great to have you. So it's been 7 months since you took on the role of country manager for Mastercard in West Africa. What have been the key milestones so far?
It's been an exciting journey so far, Ladi. In just 7 months, it looks like 7 weeks, we have made significant stride in my cluster, West Africa, particularly in financial inclusion deepening and fostering innovation through strategic partnership. The promise Mastercard made to our customers is we will power economies. We are going to empower their businesses. We are going to build sustainable economy where everyone prospers. We have kept to that promise. For example, this partnership that we've had with Fidelity and Access Bank in commoditizing cross-border remittances, in ensuring that it's affordable, it's also fast and easy to track. We also opened an office in Ghana just to underscore our commitment to spread digital payments deeply in West Africa. That's not all that we have done. We realized that collaboration is a new competition. We are working with regulators, with industry partners down the value chain to strengthen the digital payments ecosystem.
And some would say, you know, most of these fintechs might be or supposed to be competition, but, you know, talk to me about how Mastercard is, you know, collaborating with most of these, you know, fintechs that are springing up everywhere.
Well, Ladi, you will agree with me that we need the fintech also in our ecosystem. And part of our promise at Mastercard is expand in payments, how we can embrace new technologies. And one of the programs that Mastercard has that is close to my heart in my 7 months has been the Start Part program. The Start Part program is to support startups and fintechs for them to be able to access Mastercard massive global footprints while domestically guiding them through their journey. And one of those fintech that we have supported is Omni Retail as well as Alezo. But let me give you the success stories of Omni Retail. Omni Retail is a digital enabler that supports FMCG, wholesalers, and retailers. We started working with them on the pathway of Start Path. What have we seen so far? Omni Retail now supports 140,000 retailers across Africa in 3 countries and 65 branches. Globally, at Mastercard, we've been able to roll out this Start Path initiative across 455 companies globally, and in Africa, more than 20, which signifies that we live to the promise that we have made to our partners in Africa and across the world at Mastercard.
All right, let's look at another issue. Now, we know cybersecurity is becoming, you know, increasingly important as, you know, digital transactions rise. What steps is Mastercard taking to ensure the safety and security of its users in the region?
At Mastercard, we pride ourselves in building a technology that never fails for a world that never sleeps. That also tells you that we got our customers covered, whether they are awake or they are transacting or not. Cybercrime, the world over, is a great concern. And Mastercard has got that covered by the opportunities we have created in building capacity with our partners. We've leveraged AI to deploy fraud tools that are not just going to wait until the fraud has manifested, but to begin to alert our partners on unusual transactions till they become an actual threat. And part of that is a partnership with Committee of E-Business Industry on cyber Security Forum that we have had in Nigeria, and also the Ghana Cyber Security Forum, in our continuous efforts to bridge the knowledge gap and to create awareness globally. Remember, Mastercard has a footprint all over the world, and we are bringing that to all our partners, even in Africa, as well as West Africa, that is my cluster.
You've been a strong advocate for gender equality and empowerment. How are you, integrating, these values into operations?
That's one of the big topics that are close to my heart, Ladi. What we've done at Mastercard is a pledge that we made that by 2025, Mastercard will connect 1 billion people, 50 million micro and small medium entrepreneurs, with a laser focus on 25 million women entrepreneurs. That's one of the promises that I'm bringing to bear on this role. And so far, we also launched the Girls for Tech initiative to work girls, to encourage them. Remember, the hands that rocks the cradle rules the world, and Mastercard recognized that. So far, we've been able to train 3.5 million girls on the Girls for Tech program. Our target is 5 million. We've also partnered with Glovo. Over 300,000 meals have been delivered to school children in Nigeria and Kenya, because we just don't want to train them on the education. We want to support their nutrition. A hungry soul cannot be trained at all. But that's a promise we have made, and we are keeping to that at Mastercard.
Right, and I'm sure you're also looking out for the boys, because I'm rooting for the boys too. Well, but looking ahead, what are your top priorities for Mastercard, in West Africa over the next year, and how do you see the company, evolving in this fast-changing market?
Yeah, I agree with you. In a fast-changing environment, the macroeconomics challenge is not just limited to Nigeria or Africa. It's global. And I listened to Bismarck's conversation earlier today. It underscores the need for a future strategy that is focused on expanding mobile money. We want to continue to partner with governments via the National Digital Economy Policy and Strategy, which is called NDEX. We expect to drive digital payments growth. We want to continue increased collaboration to remain competitive. We want to drive contactless payments. Nigerians are well-traveled people, and we see tap on phone, tap and go everywhere in the West, and even in some African countries. I just come from South Africa. Tap on phone is prevalent. Why is that not happening? Why is that not fast-tracking in terms of adoption in Nigeria? We are partnering with relevant stakeholders to drive that. We want to strengthen partnership to drive financial inclusion across West Africa. Remember, we have promised to connect 1 billion people to the digital economy by 2025. Everything that we can do to make that happen, leveraging partnership with government, fintechs, telecom to support individuals and SMEs, and of course the media like yourself, just to make sure we fulfill that. That is on our priority list for 2025, lad. Yeah,
tap to pay is definitely a very interesting one. But thank you so much, Folashade Femi Lawal. She's country manager for Nigeria, area business head for West Africa. Thank you so much for sharing your vision
Thanks for having me
with us. Thank you.